Open interest is the total number of futures contracts held by market participants at the end of the trading day. It is used as an indicator to determine market sentiment and the strength behind price trends. Unlike the total issued shares of a company, which typically remain constant, the number of outstanding futures contracts varies from day to day. Open interest is calculated by adding all the contracts from open trades and subtracting the contracts when a trade is closed. For example, YJ, Durham and Deepak are trading the same futures contract. If YJ buys one contract to enter a long trade, open interest increases by 1. Durham also goes long and buys 6 contracts, thereby increasing open interest to 7. If Deepak decides to short the market and sells 3 contracts, open interest again increases to 10. Open interest would remain at 10 until the traders exit their positions, at which point open interest declines. For example, open interest declines to 9 when Vijay sells 1 contract. When Deepak decides to exit his position, he buys back his 3 contracts and brings open interest down to 6. At this point, until Durham decides to sell her 6 contracts, open interest will remain constant at 6.